Imagine yourself in a place where the blue of the ocean meets the emerald green of the mountains, where every sunset is a work of art. Hawaii, this unique archipelago in the heart of the Pacific, is much more than just a vacation destination. It's a place where nature, culture, and adventure combine to create unforgettable memories. In this video, let's dive into the wonders of Hawaii and discover why so many travelers consider this place to be paradise on Earth. Hawaii is world famous for its spectacular beaches. Start your trip at Waikiki Beach on the island of Oahu, an iconic spot where surfing and relaxation meet. If you're looking for a more immersive experience, head to Hanauma Bay, a perfect spot for snorkeling and discovering colorful marine life. For those dreaming of tranquility, Waikiki Beach offers turquoise waters and breathtaking sunsets. Each of these beaches has its own unique personality, ideal for all types of travelers. Hawaii is also a land of adventure. On the Big Island, explore Volcanoes National Park, where you can admire active volcanoes and lava flows. On Kauai, marvel at the Waimea Canyon, nicknamed the Grand Canyon of the Pacific, and discover unparalleled panoramas. Finally, don't miss the legendary road to Hana on the island of Maui, a winding route lined with waterfalls, lush jungles, and black sand beaches. These natural landscapes make Hawaii both a soothing and exciting destination. Hawaii is not only a land of incredible landscapes, it's also a crossroads of fascinating cultures. Immerse yourself in Hawaiian history by taking part in a hula dance performance or sampling traditional dishes such as poke or poi. For wildlife lovers, whale watching on Maui between November and May is a magical experience. Finally, why not try surfing on the iconic waves of Waikiki and feel the adrenaline of a sport that is an integral part of the local culture? Hawaii is a destination that offers much more than beaches and sunshine. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, discover a rich culture, and experience memorable adventures. So why not add Hawaii to your travel bucket list?